What is the law of attraction? The law of attraction is a universal law that is based on the premise of like attracts like, meaning your thoughts create your actions and shape the world around you. Another way of putting this is that what you put out into the universe, you draw back to yourself. There are many popular law of attraction quotes like, "If you can dream it, you can achieve it," by Walt Disney, and "See yourself living in abundance and you will attract it," by Rhonda Burns. Is it all magic though?
Hey there, it's Ashley from RelaxedMagic.com. This clip is from a longer class that covers this topic much more in depth. Using the links in the description, you can check it out right now. It's on Udemy for a low price that allows you to own it forever, or you can find it on SkillShare. The link in the description will give you access to the first 2 months for free. Thanks for checking it out, and I look forward to seeing you in class. For more magical tips and spiritual insights, make sure to hit the subscribe button below.